Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the only safe route to a factory reset. Backup now. First, make sure the device is charged at least 50% and connected to a stable Wi-Fi or power source. This prevents interruptions. Next, pick your primary backup destination: Cloud Sync for convenience, external drive for speed and ownership, or a full PC image for system state. Enable encryption on the backup so your data stays private. Write down account passwords and ensure two-factor methods are accessible. Once done, begin the chosen backup immediately. Now execute the detailed backup sequence step by step. Start with app data and settings, then export photos, messages, contacts, and any locally stored documents. Use platform tools for app backups when available. If you can, create a full disk image to preserve system state and installed apps. Copy critical exports to an external drive as a second copy. Make sure to verify integrity by opening a sample file, comparing sizes, and running a test restore of one item. This confirms the backup is usable before you reset. Finish by preparing the device for reset. Sign out of accounts, disable activation locks, and remove biometric lock so reactivation goes smoothly. Make a final backup snapshot and store copies in two separate locations: cloud plus external drive, and secure your passwords and recovery codes. Then perform the factory reset. If the restore fails later, don't panic. Try restoring from the verified disk image, re-import exported files, and check backup logs. If problems persist, contact support and provide logs and exact error messages for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.